Welcome to a world of endless creativity and inspiration. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just embarking on your crafting journey, these curated sets of projects offer a perfect blend of innovation, sustainability, and artistic expression. Get ready to immerse yourself in the joy of creating beautiful and functional items that not only reflect your unique style but also contribute to a positive impact on the environment. From eco-friendly initiatives to tech-savvy innovations and artistic adventures, there's something for everyone. Let your imagination run wild as you explore these DIY realms, turning ordinary materials into extraordinary masterpieces. Let the crafting adventure begin. Embark on a transformative journey into the new year with these 30 DIY projects that promise to infuse your life with health and happiness. From mindful moments and active adventures to nourishing nosh, these creations not only enhance your well-being but also add a personal touch to your daily routines. So, gather your materials, embrace the joy of crafting, and usher in a year filled with positivity, creativity, and a renewed sense of self. Cheers to a happy and healthy new year. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Brood content.